Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a kind of a favourites kind of video. And I want to show you some amazing products that I've recently bought and kind of a catch-up video, just a bit of a whatever kind of video. The ring light, by the way, is absolutely blinding me. I have just figured out how to fucking use the thing. So before, there wasn't this, it came with like, so when the ring light came, it basically was just a small ring light, but I've just realised now that it extends. So I've done so many videos completely wrong. But the thing is that I can't fit my camera, my phone in the middle of it. So I don't know how to, do apologise if it's a bit all over the place today with the video. So how's everyone today? I am just filming, obviously. I've got so much to show you. Well, not so much to show, but I've got a few things. Is everyone having a great day? I don't like the camera. So, yeah, I've just redone my eyelashes because they were looking really, really horrible. My hair, I need to wash. It's kind of wavy today. Honestly, I think I'm going to pass out because all I can see is a ring light in my eyes. It shouldn't be like that, should it? So, let's get into some favourite things. Not favourites, some things that I bought. So, I want to start off with candles. Now, I normally used to buy lots of Yankee candles. They were really, really something I loved. And I eventually ended up getting about 20 candles. And in the end, sorry, I can't even function with this light in my eye. In the end, the candles were there were just so many candles, I just couldn't even deal. So what was I talking about? The Yankee candles. So the Yankee candles, I absolutely loved. I used to buy them all the time. I got them in every single kind of every single scent. And in the end, I just thought, you know what, I can't do this anymore because I've got so many candles and they were looking cluttered. I mean, there's only so much room you can have for your candles. And I was just completely running out of room. So in the end, I just wanted to burn them all. I've still got thousands and thousands and thousands. But I was watching Gabby DeMartino, her vlogs. I absolutely love her. I think she's so cool. I absolutely think she's amazing. She's such a cute little Ariana Grande kind of twin. And I just love her. So she had some candles from Bath and Body Works. Now, that is in America and you can't get them in England. So I took to eBay because it's the only place that they sell them. And she distinctly had these two candles, and I just thought, wow, how amazing. I want something now, some sweet smelling scents. I don't want kind of the same old kind of musky stuff. So I bought this first candle. It's called Blueberry Sugar. I'm so hungry, by the way. I'm on a strict diet, so I'm literally salivating. I've had nothing to eat. So to me, this smells like bubblegum. I don't know, bubblegum blueberry with lots of sugar. Now, I've never burnt it before because I've only just had it, but how cute is the, I think this is a Christmas candle because you can see the snowman, but how cute is the packaging? It's blue, it's got blueberry sugar, like a little mitten, so like someone's cooking. And it says it's sweet blueberries, brown sugar, and graham cracker crust. Can't smell the graham cracker, but what is that? Why is that colour? It wouldn't be like that. But I'm going to burn it and I'm absolutely excited. It's from America. The burn time is 25 to 45 hours. And I'm so happy. Oh, actually, I want to show you something first because I want to wear it in the video. I've just remembered. So, I'm all over the place. I've bought this amazing new jacket from New Look. How fucking sick is this jacket? I'm really, really in love with it. I think I'm going to wear it for the rest of the video. It's a mustard kind of teddy bear jacket. And I've wanted one of these. I've wanted one of these jackets for literally forever and ever and ever. And I've got my hands on one. And they're so comfy. And this was on sale. It was £20. And I think it used to be about £40. And New Look right now are doing a sale. So if you buy one thing, you get something free in the sale. So this is the jacket. Now, I got mine in a large. Absolutely love it. It's so, so cool. There's the back. Really, really in love with this jacket. It's really cool. I love how my hair just like flows all over it. I love it. I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the video, I think. So yeah, I don't know by the time you watch this if they'll still have it in stock, but just completely obsessed with it. So back onto the candle. So the back says, high concentrations of rich fragrance oils deliver room-filling fragrance. Our patent soy blend wax is formulated to provide the best fragrance experience, created with premium lead-free wicks. What's that, lead? Lead-free, I think. 100% crafted with you in mind, to represent satisfaction and guaranteed burns, approximately 25 to 45. So how can it go from 25 to 45? Don't get that. Comment down below. But oh, it smells amazing. So I've got this candle, and this is my most favourite one. And I got Pink Petal Tea Cake. Now, I got this one because... oh, God. It's smelling a bit different today. It smells all flowery. Is something wrong with this fucking candle? Yesterday I smelt it. It was really sweet. Is it because my... now it smells like completely different. Oh, I can smell it now. I need to kind of like take a break from my nose. You know when you can smell... when you like go to a perfume shop and you're constantly smelling things, and then you just like lose the smell of everything, so nothing smells the same. So I had to kind of like have a break there. But yeah, so it smells very, very floral, but there's like a hint of like cake, you know, like cake batter mix. Now the notes, now it says, yeah, the notes are pink rose petal, pound cake and vanilla glaze. I mean, how amazing is that? I could just eat that right now. Obviously 25 to 45 hours. Can't wait to burn this candle. And I love how the lids come with kind of protective, what is this? Plastic kind of protection, so it doesn't kind of like bash, you know? It doesn't crack the circumference of the candle. So that's really, really cool. It's really good and protected that. Really nice. So these are the two candles, and I'm absolutely obsessed. Bath and Body Works, and I'm gonna get so many. I'll let you know how they smell, obviously, what the fragrance is like. So next I went to New Look and I bought these amazing 2 hair ties. Now this is a leopard one, and you basically just tie your hair back and you just let this hang, and I've been wearing this quite a lot. And this is like leopard print, kind of Gucci, and not Gucci, leopard print, kind of Versace kind of print, I think. Kind of sailor, nautical kind of vibe. And I love that, you know, with tiger prints. And so I'm really in love with these. And they were about £2. No, they were New Look. No, it wasn't New Look, it was Primark. These are from Primark. I think they were £2.50. So they're really nice to have around the house. And I've also got this bobble. This one is from eBay, kind of the same kind of nautical kind of vibe. And this one is just a velvet one. So I'm really into hair scrunchies. So yeah, I really like hair hair scrunchies at the minute. So I love these. The next item I got was some pajamas. And this is, I don't know where the bottoms are. I think they're in the different room. But these are the pajamas. And did I get? No. So this is the pajamas, and it's kind of a Victoria's Secret kind of vibe, but I'm really pissed off because I got these and the bottoms have ripped already, so I'm going to have to try and get an exchange. I'm really annoyed because I love these, and these are like satin kind of pajamas, pinstripe candy pink pajamas. I then went to the Morphe store, and I really wanted a new beauty blender because the one I've got now is okay, but because of my nails, it's kind of got like indents, kind of, you know, when you kind of put your nails on a sponge and it gives like imprints, indents, imprints, I don't know. I really can't speak today. So I went and picked this sponge up, and it's the Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge. I've never used it, but I've seen Jeffree Star use this quite a lot, and he's really loving it. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to pick it up, give it a go. It says, on the back it says, the chiseled edge delivers the ultimate control for contouring, highlighting and baking. Just add water and give it a good squeeze. Pair with your favourite makeup and blend the rules. So that's quite good. It's latex. It's latex free. So I'm going to give this a go. And I can just smell all the candles now, you know, kind of all the notes. It's so cool. So the next item I got is this cardigan from New Look. And it's kind of a Chanel kind of vibe cardigan. And I love this. It's so cool. It kind of matches my kind of mustard jacket. So just to lounge about in. It's got beautiful buttons up, some nice black buttons on it. And I'm just going to wear this to just chill out in and lounge about. I think it's a really, really nice cardigan just to kind of add some, you know, cool vibes and kind of vintage vibes, because cardigans are quite in at the minute. Really, really happy about that. Really nice kind of Chanel. The last item I got are these shoes. Now these are the Balenciaga shoes, knockoffs. And how cool are these? These were $19.99 from Ego, because I saw Tweely, is it Twee? She has a YouTube channel and she's so cool. She's so like she's doing amazing. She's got millions of subscribers. And I saw her do this haul and I just thought, what the hell, I have to get these. Obviously they're not Balenciaga, but they're a fucking good rip-off, aren't they? They just don't have the little Balenciaga thing on the side. And I really, really like these. They're really nice. I love the material, kind of with the mesh. Can you see? I think they look really, really nice. So I picked these up and I think I'm going to just go, you know, I'll take it out of the package actually, because I don't want so much packages like to put in the bin, you know, like when you buy things, you've got like 60 cardboard packages to put in the bin, the recycling. So those are the shoes and I just love them, absolutely cool, are so cool. I need to do a fucking thumbnail, don't I mean, even the laces are like the Balenciagas, you know, with the kind of pattern, white and black pattern. So that's the last item I've got today. Oh, and I also went and picked up the High Shine lip gloss from Primark. You know, I had the other kind of, the other shade called Pink Mink. I got this one. This is called Baby Doll, and I'm wearing it today. Don't really think it's making lips look very good, but I'm actually going to get some more lip fillers next month. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's just been kind of a favourite haul. I've not done one of these for a long time. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm on an amazing journey with you guys. I've got these lint bunny things just staring at me and I can't eat it because I'm on a strict fucking eating plan this week. So wish me luck for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think of the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.